Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now I am going to give the list of questions which are deleted in first year intermediate botany. So intermediate first year for 2021-22 academic year, 30% syllabus deleted. For IP exam, I am going to give list of questions which are deleted for IP exam. Only IP exam. For intermediate public examination, 30% syllabus deleted. But students, they are feeling difficult to find out the questions which are deleted for 2021-21 academic year, especially in the botany subject. That's why I am going to give the list of questions. The whatever questions here I wrote, these questions are completely deleted for IP exam, not for NEET exam. So the first chapter 1, the living world. Very short answer questions are 2 mark questions. Few very short answer questions are deleted. So first question. So here it is in the IP textbook. Fourth question. Which is the largest botanical garden in the world? And list the well-known botanical gardens in the India. List out well-known botanical gardens in the India. That question it is completely deleted. For IP exam, so no need to prepare. Next, fifth question. Define the terms couplet and lead in taxonomic key. This question also completely deleted. What is meant by manuals and monographs? This question also deleted. So no need to define the manuals and monographs. These questions also deleted. Now whatever I am going to give the list of the questions, these are completely deleted. So ninth question, what is the basic unit of classification? Define it. The classification, basic unit of classification, species is there, no? That is deleted. So 10th question, give scientific name of mango and find out generic name and specific epithet. Generic name, genus, specific epithet, species. This question, mango scientific name Mangifera indica. That question deleted. This is completely deleted. All these questions are deleted. So you no need to prepare for IP exam. Now short answer questions are 4 mark questions. Now so there are 3 questions are there from this chapter. I am saying that only from the living world chapter. So second question, what are taxonomical aids? Give the importance of herbaria and museum. It is a 4 mark question is there. It is deleted. No need to prepare for IP exam. Third question, define a taxon. Give some examples of taxa at different hierarchical levels. This question also completely deleted. 4 mark question, very short answer question. Fourth question, how are botanical gardens useful in conserving biodiversity? So define flora, manuals, monographs and catalogs. So definitions of all these taxonomical aids, that is also deleted. All these questions are completely deleted. So for only IP exam 2021-22 academic year only. Long answer question, only 2 questions are there in this chapter. So second question completely deleted. Only second question, first question not deleted. But they are not going to give long answer questions from this chapter. But even though 30% syllabus deleted, no, so some 1 or 2 questions there is chance to expect from 70% syllabus. So that's why here, so least priority you can give, because earlier so they are not given from this chapter long answer question. The previous years, last 10 years papers, if you will see final IP exam, so the long answer questions not given from this chapter. But here the whatever already uploaded last year 2020-21 academic year, so deleted syllabus uploaded, and as well as long answer questions also, important long answer questions whatever you have to study, that is already uploaded. You can once you can watch that video and those questions you can prepare. I am talking about long answer questions. Intermediate first year long answer questions, intermediate second year for Telangana state government, especially in the botany subject. So most important repeated long answer questions already uploaded. Those questions you can make the list. That questions if you will prepare, those questions if you will prepare, that is enough. It is only part 1 video. Now I will upload as much possible as early remaining parts, that is because still so few chapters are there, so I will upload shortly, so deleted questions from other chapters. Thank you.